All right, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm in the house with the Reeve knives, large Inkosi knife center, exclusive in black, Cerakote. But as usual, don't forget to like, subscribe, leave me a comment down below. That's super easy. Let's go ahead and check what's in the box. Reeve knives is lately offering this gorgeous packaging. Right over here, you can see the certificate of authenticity, a scheme on how to take it apart and put back together, a decal, some information for your warranty. Of course, you get the actual knife, a set of tools to maintain, to take it apart, to lube it and to Loctite, and of course the microfiber cloth. And yeah, you get this gorgeous piece. Like here, guys, this is the Reeve knives, large Inkosi in single blade, black Cerakote. This is hard to get. It is a full-size knife with a 3.6-inch long blade, 3.4-inch long cutting edge, 4.8-inch long for the handle. Overall, when deployed, is going to be 8.3 inches, something in that ballpark. So full-size knife, really cool looking. On the secondary market now, this fella is fetching high prices, I think in the 850. So it's hard to get. It's very nicely made, pretty cool Cerakote layer covering the scales, the clip, and of course the blade itself. They left the hardware out because the tolerances would have been like ridiculously tight, already are tight like that, but it's just like a gorgeous one. It's, you know, this review I won't go into detail because you can check my Inkosi review if you want to know a little more details about this, but I'm just gonna say that this is the latest edition with S45 yen steel blade. It is black Cerakote, it's the Knife Center exclusive. It's a titanium frame lock with a ceramic detent ball, which is going to act as a lock face insert, let's say. You get an angular clip in this case. It's not like straight as in the Sebenza 21. It's the jimping over here is a little bit less bitey than the regular non-coated version. You get dual thumb studs because that's the right way to do it. Action is just silky smooth. You get oversized phosphorus bronze washers with some pockets to store the grease. I mean, look at the oversized pivot going on over here. The oversized stop pin right there, screwed in only from one side. Very simple construction. You have the screws bulging out, but they are not obnoxious. I mean, they look pretty good. But what is looking pretty good is the Cerakote. It's like very uniformly made. There's only like, upon like very close inspection, only one speck right over here. That's the only thing I couldn't find, but you have to look with a microscope. So it's well done. It's made by factory. So it's not like a, you know, somebody, you know, coated this thing. So it is still under warranty, which is, by the way, is phenomenal. And it's just a gorgeous one. I mean, the in single blade is one of my favorite blades for beside the drop. I mean, Reeve does tanto, drop point, and in single, which are great. They all the three of them, they have fantastic profiles. I really like them all. Nice divot going on over here, so to make you know that the jimping is finished. Very cool ergos. This part is well designed. You can just squeeze this thing and there's no hot spots whatsoever. Sound is very nice. The feeling also is very pleasant because you have the detent ball right over here. You can see it right there. It's gonna act as a detent ball ramp, so you see, there's no need for a ramp. That's a brilliant solution to that problem. Blade is center, safely recessed. I mean, what I don't really like is the clip design, like the look. Functionality is just perfect, superbly designed. This is the right profile, but the look is just not my favorite. But that is probably the only thing, my only nitpick about this fella. They even widen the area if you're like a lanyard guy. I mean, it's a gorgeous one, guys. This is the large Inkosi Chris Reeve Knives, Knife Center exclusive, black Cerakote. So there you have it. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned.